Bliss Beauty here of blissbeautyandglitter.com. Thank you guys so much for being here, and thanks to all the people, every single person that is subscribing to our channel, sharing our video. You guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. So, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell, share the video with a friend, like the video, comment. So, my video today is going to be short, and I'm actually happy about that, okay? So, I am sharing with you guys today on how to get rid of blemishes, acne spots, or any kind of dark spots in any part of your body, especially your face. I'm not going to say my face is perfect because every now and then I do have, some breakouts. I'm going to be honest. But in most cases, it's well balanced. I am sharing with you guys, like I mentioned before, two products because I love when you're using any product where it's not too complicated, especially if it's a natural remedy and it's just two items. Simple enough, anyone can do it. So here we go. Milk and baking soda. Amazing, right? Two simple ingredients that you can use at home to rid yourself, to get rid of any spots anywhere in your body. That's my phone. It's not part of the video, but since it's bleeping or ringing or whatever I'll call it. Anyway, so two amazing ingredients that you can use to get rid of any spots anywhere in your body. For an average person, we constantly, be it from a cut, be it from a breakout, we constantly, in most cases, especially for people of color, have to do with dark spots. To get rid of that dark spots, it's really simple. All you have to do is mix baking soda and milk. Apply it on any part of your body. It's really simple. It's not complicated. If you look at what I have here, I'm going to put a lot of links down below to better help you understand how to do your measurement. But it's not complicated. To every 2 spoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon, or actually 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So that way you're going to get, it's going to be more like a pasty consistency. It's not going to be too thick, and you don't want it to be too thick, but you don't want it to be too loose either. Because what you're trying to do is have a scrub, something that you can use as an abrasion to get this extra latent effect on that spots anywhere in your body. I usually use this twice a week. I don't do too much of it because, a lot of the beauty products and beauty remedies, it's always better not to do too much of it, especially if it's baking soda. Amazing product, but you don't want to do too much of it because sometimes, especially if you do too much, it might leave your skin dry. I hope my how-to tips has been helpful to you guys. Check it out. Baking soda and milk, two amazing ingredients that you could use at home to get rid of any spots anywhere in your body. Till I see you guys in my next video, don't forget to check all the links down below. I'm also going to put a measurement down below, which will also help you how to mix it and get a good result. Till I see you guys in my next video, stay beautiful and be good. Bye.